Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper zinnia. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video below. All the materials are listed below the video along with the template. You could have this cut on your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. We'll be starting with the center pieces. You need a total of 4 of the red fringes and 2 of the yellow flower center. Start with rolling 1 red piece while gluing with this white glue that I'll be linking below the video. Glue every so often so it doesn't unravel, and once you have 1 piece rolled up, take the second piece and roll it on top of the first piece. And you will add the third one after that. The paper zinnias are perfect to have in a variety of blush, coral, red colors, so you could get creative with the petal colors, but I typically like this red fringe center and the yellow flowers that bloom in the center with the fringes. After you rolled the 3 red fringes, you will have 1 red left that we will use later, and we will shape the yellow flowers. I like to bring up the flowers to have all the petals face up, and I do this to all of the flowers for 2 of the yellow center pieces. These are very dainty, so you will have to be gentle with them as you shape them. Then add those yellow flower centers to the red center and roll around. You will wrap 1, then the second one. We will need to add them in between where they are missing and wrap that around. Lastly, add the 4th red piece on top, and this 4th piece is just covering the yellow sides. Then fluff out the fringes by shaping back gently, and we'll be now working on the petals. I used this blush color, but you could do orange, corals, reds, and so much more. We need 6 flowers cut. I'll be shaping them with a stack of 2 flowers. I go through each petal and curl them in from left to right. Next, open the petals back up and go back and shape the petals back by curling the tips out. I figured I could shape them with a stack of 4, so I stacked the remaining flowers and shaped them the same way by curling in the petals and opening it back up and curl the tips back. After all the flowers are shaped, grab this thicker floral wire stem and curl the tips and bend back the curled tip so that it is perpendicular to the rest of the stem. Then poke a hole in the center of one of the flower and add that stem through. Glue the tip and add the flower. Then glue the bottom of the next flower and crisscross and add on top of the curled wire tip. Make sure to crisscross the flowers. The next 4 flowers I will be working in pairs and gluing 2. Crisscross them and glue that onto the flower on the stem, and do the same with the other pair. Next, glue the center and add that to the flower. Lastly, have 2 of the bottom leaf shape cut and poke a hole in the center of both of them and glue that to the bottom of the flower and crisscross the second bottom leaf shape. There are no side leaves that go with this flower, but you could add any standard leaves on the stem if you like, and here are some other colors I made them. These are so nice to see at the end of summer, welcoming fall, and they go well with other paper flowers, so try making them yourself. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.